was thinking about it.
I'm even recording how fast you're going.
Yeah.
Where do you even pull over?
I'm gonna pull over up there at the store.
I was gonna say just do Napa or something. He's trying to get you to pull over in here.
I don't give a fuck what he wants.
You didn't do nothing wrong.
Exactly.
We're even going the speed limit. Yeah. You're recording.
You sure?
Yep. Up there it's telling you you're recording. Yeah, don't get out until I say something.
My doors are locked too, right?
We didn't do nothing. Are you?
You're who? Yeah, why'd you stop me?
Your tag's expired.
My tags are expired.
Yes.
Really? I just got them. Are you sure about that? Maybe you should look again.
I don't need to look again.
I think you do.
Registration license proof.
No, thank you.
Okay, I need your SIM card.
Why'd you pull me over?
The tags are expired.
When did they expire?
12 of 22. It's 1 of 23.
Oh, so my tags are already expired?
Yes.
May I get? So you didn't do nothing wrong.
Can I get out? Okay. I see that. I ain't got my DMV thing yet.
I still need your registration.
Hold on. For what? What crime is this?
Expired tag.
Expired tags is a crime?
Yes.
Huh? I don't know. It's a
632.
it's a fix-it ticket too, which is simple.
I need your registration proof of insurance.
Just write me a ticket for it, and we'll
I
go
still
to.
need it for the ticket,
I'll go to
please.
court. I don't know where it's at.
You need to find it. 080.
Call it in. I'm through Farm Bureau.
652.
Blue line,
If it's
disgrace
not
to the
confirmed, then that'll
American
be a ticket
flag.
as well.
Okay. I'm a First Amendment auditor.
Okay, I'm recording as well.
That's good, because I know how your alls go missing.
Excuse me?
I know how your alls go missing, and sometimes it gets
Oh, no,
muted.
these don't.
Huh? She'd like to ask you a question. You sure you didn't pull me over for what I did?
I was just wondering.
I pulled you over because your tags
I'm
were
sorry.
expired.
I'm gonna come over your side and talk to you.
Just crack your window. Don't unlock the door.
And I apologize. My sister was speaking to you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Whole police officer.
Well, see, we back each other up on stuff like this. That's fine.
Hey,
Yeah, absolutely.
look on his shoulder, babe.
What's that?
We got Blue Line ISIS here.
Oh, okay.
That's a
fine.
disgrace to the American flag. Did you know that?
What's that?
That's breaking the law.
Breaking the law?
Yeah, that's a disgrace to the American flag.
Well, I'm not disgracing.
That flag right there on your shoulder is.
Tim, is your registration
It's through Farm Bureau.
your registration?
What about it?
Is it in the vehicle?
Yeah, it possibly could be.
Okay, well that'll be a ticket as well if you don't have proof of registration.
I know that.
So is it in the vehicle or not?
If I get a ticket, that means I'll have to go to court, so that's fine too. I can show the proof in court.
Well, if you have it, then why wouldn't you just give it to me?
Because I think this is a retaliatory stop.
What does that have to do with what's going on? Do you have your registration or not?
Yeah.
Can I see it?
This car's paid for and bought by me.
Okay, then let me see it.
What?
Your registration?
Hey, babe, Can you look in the glove box and see if you can find my registration?
You're fine.
The climbing, so he threw the other car down.
Yeah.
Had the dry blood all over his hands, had it right here. And he just had like he had a hat on, so I don't know how far his hair was, but it
Hey,
was shaved kind of like yours, a little bit
this
longer.
is the real American flag for the U.S. of A.
And I was like, it was just
It ain't a
so weird.
terrorist
We didn't know
flag.
how to call you guys because our cameras don't
We're a
work out
gang
there.
member flag. I like posting these on YouTube.
No, that's crazy. I wasn't aware of that situation. I don't know if somebody was looking for somebody earlier or what.
He said something
Hey,
about there was a homicide
babe.
earlier, and he just came through me, and all that dry blood on his hands, and he just kept looking at me, and I was like, can I help you? Like, and that woman, she was, I don't know if she was, something was wrong, what?
Okay.
Something was wrong,
Hey.
but she just would not look at nobody. She was just going like this. And I was like,
Here you go. Thank you, ma'am.
Did you hand her my license?
No, it's
Oh.
in my hand.
Okay, thank you.
All right, sir. If you just get that tag fixed, you said you already got it fixed.
And I just haven't got the. Apparently, see, my mail goes to my mom's address, right? So my mom sometimes don't give me my mail. I don't go down there and actually just bother her all the time, because, to be honest, I just got over coronavirus. My mom had it.
She okay?
She tested positive, but it's been the 5 days. But she got diagnosed with bronchitis, and my son was diagnosed with RSV.
Oh, well, I hope everybody gets to feeling better.
We're at the end of our 5 days,
Okay.
and I'm a First Amendment auditor, by the way. I'm one of the ones in this town, and if I keep seeing cops sit up here at the gun store, I'm going to report that.
Hey,
I'm going to report that, because when you're sitting on the taxpayer's dollar, that's not right, and it don't fly with me. I'm not going to pay taxes to the government if this is how it's going to be spent
yeah.
to harass
What
the
time
people.
do you usually see them down there?
Usually during the day. I got a video of them sitting down there for 30 minutes, and I know Chief Reb's supposed to run it, and his bitch of a wife doesn't understand the First Amendment. What the fuck's she doing in a Second Amendment store? Because you know what the Second Amendment says? The right to the people to bear arms. And it's not for hunting. It's for looking for tyrannical government. That's what it says. Read the Second Amendment.
Well, I can't speak for different shifts and what they do and stuff like that.
Exactly, and it's first shift. That's usually down here. I've caught it. 30-minute video on my phone, but I haven't posted it to YouTube. I'm going to keep catching it. Then I'm going to turn it in.
Well, hey, that's your right.
Except
So,
I'm going to turn it in to the FBI, not the local police. This will go to the FBI.
Yeah.
Because I'm a First Amendment auditor, and I'm out here to expose the corruption, even the judges' corruption. That's
Well-
why I wanted to go to court.
Well, hey, keep doing what you're doing. And it's always, hey,
And I'm
it's
going
nice
to.
Hey,
What's the First Amendment?
Right to free speech.
And there's 4 more elements.
I couldn't put.
I'm going to teach you all the law. First Amendment, freedom of religion, freedom of press, freedom of speech, and the right to assemble, and the right to petition my government for redress of a grievance. And that's what I'm doing.
That's awesome.
And I'm going to hold my government accountable. Transparency. Stop shooting people.
Get your tag fixed, sir.
Uh-huh.
All right, brother. Y'all have a good night. Okay?
You too.